Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to create email templates in your Gmail account. So if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe and also turn on notification. So first of all, open up your Gmail, alright, and here you can see that you guys need to click on gear icon and click on see all settings, alright. So here you can see there are lots of options available. Now click on advanced, now click on templates, you can see. So you have to enable these templates, so simply just click on select enable and save changes. So here you can see that your email is now click on compose. Now click on compose and write whatever you want. Okay, so I've just skipped that part while I was writing. Now click on the three dots and click on templates. Now select save draft as template, now save as new template, and you have to give it any kind of name this template. Okay, and simply just close, and that's how you are successfully set a new template of your email. Now let me show you. If you want to add templates, just simply click on the three dots. Now click on templates. Now simply just select personal template, and here you can see your template is showing. Okay, now you can simply send mail to anyone else you want using this template. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.